welcome to the channel. And thank you for joining me. Hope you all are doing well, feeling well, staying healthy. And thank you for my dedicated subscribers. I know I'm not very consistent about my videos. Sometimes I'll do 3 in a row and then I won't do one for a week or two, or a week and a half or whatever. But we're back today. We just got word that our house is basically done. They're supposed to send us a video today so that we can do a walkthrough because we can't physically walk through at the factory. So we'll keep you posted on that, but we're pretty excited about the idea about our house being done. So that motivated me to come out to the slab today and do some work. You can see this location here behind me where the tractor's parked. Used to be where the Lowe's barn was, and video 63 that I just posted is a very much edited version of the move of the big Lowe's barn, which was pretty scary. But nonetheless, it's done. I should say it's done in that it's moved down there and now the leveling begins. But it's back down behind the pole barn. And if you missed that video, it's the video right before this one. Today I came out and basically needed to excavate the back side of the slab that you can see here behind me, because the soil is a little higher in the back, and we're going to be doing either cinder block or some sort of retaining wall, working with the contractor on that. But I can't dig it out once the house is placed, so I needed to get that done. So that's what today's video is about, is using the Wild Coyote backhoe and getting some business done on the slab. And if you're one of those people that doesn't want to watch me do a bunch of backhoe work, then you know what's coming and you don't have to stick it out. But I'll try to keep it as interesting as I can. But anyway, that's today's video, is clearing off the back of the slab so that the retaining wall can get put in. And also there was quite a bit of drainage pipe back there for the gutters, which I'll have to replace and backfill on the wall once the wall's built and the house is back here. So there's the old pipe, and there might be some salvageable stuff there, but a lot of times it's probably not going to be worth dealing with in order to save a few bucks. But anyway, that's today's video, is getting the slab cleared off, and you can see that I pretty much did that. And I think that's all I got for you right now. So enjoy the video. Thanks for coming and stopping by, and we'll keep you posted on the house. If we can figure out a way, maybe we'll send you or post a video of the close to finished product. Anyway, take care. Talk to you soon.